The sexual assault trial of Bernard "Bernie" Lynch is now in the hands of a judge at the Court of King's Bench in Regina. The former junior hockey coach has entered pleas of not guilty to charges of assault and sexual assault. Throughout the four-day trial, the court has heard two very different versions of what happened in Regina in August of 1988. Back then, Lynch was the newly hired coach of the Regina Pats. The court heard that as a coach, Lynch invited a 17-year-old from small-town Saskatchewan to take part in a hockey school. That teen, now a man in his 50s, testified that he stayed at Lynch's home. The player said that while he was there, he was directed to drink beer and walk around the apartment naked. And although he felt like he didn't want to, he felt obligated to follow his coach's orders. The player testified that Lynch even climbed into the shower and groped him. Any information that could identify the complainant is protected by a publication ban. The Crown says that this trial is a long time coming.
Yeah, the allegations were made, I guess, somewhat informally some 35 years ago, but it wasn't until 2021 that they were made officially, and he was charged. So in that respect, it's a bit unusual, but not entirely unheard of.
Meanwhile, Lynch testified that the complainant never stayed at his home, and there was no assault. Instead, Lynch claimed he told the teen to stay at a hotel with everyone else. He also testified that the trial was the first time he saw the complainant in 35 years. His defense lawyer says the Crown did not prove its case beyond a reasonable doubt.
But the frustrating thing from the point of view of trying to get to the truth is it's not possible in a lot of cases to really know. In a case like this, there's only two people that will ever really know the truth.
The Crown told the court on Friday that the only thing consistent about Lynch's testimony was its inconsistency, and that the judge should reject Lynch's testimony. Justice Peter Bergbusch is scheduled to deliver his decision in December. Alexander Kwan, CBC News, Regina.